Good afternoon, dear students. I am Monica Hati from Government UP School, Valisankara. Today we are going to discuss about a chapter called Early Made Impossible Possible. This chapter was taught in the month of April, and we will be discussing the revision part. Okay, so we are going to discuss the summary and some comprehension question and some grammatical questions. Without any further delay, let's move to the smartboard. The chapter Early Made Impossible Possible. This chapter was taught in the month of April, so we are just going to skim through the text and we will be solving some comprehension questions. Look at this picture. This is a picture of a courtroom. Here, the judge, the defendant, and lawyers are present. Okay. A revision class, so we are not going to go into the text in detail. We are going to summarize the SGPs, and we will continue with our question answer. The first paragraph, first SGP. It was a story story. The story was set in around a courtroom trial where a thief is caught for stealing a purse and handed over to the police. The case goes to court and several witnesses are called to give their statements. So, in this chapter, it is a view of a courtroom where thief is caught and he is presented before the judge for due to because he stole a purse from someone. SGP 1, first part of the trial. So in the first SGP, it is a part of the trial. During the trial, the victim and 3 witnesses are brought in. The first witness is asked 3 questions. The first part of the SGB, there is a witness, the lawyer, the judge, and the question answer between the lawyer and the first witness. So the lawyer is asking some question. No, not the lawyer. The judge is asking asking questions to the witnesses, and the witnesses are answering the questions asked to them. First question is time of the theft. The judge asked the witness, what is the time of the theft? And he says it happened during the day. His answer was that the theft happened during the day. It was daytime when the theft happened. Second question was number of people present. What was the number of people present at the time of theft? So the second answer, the first witness answered the second question is that he mentions 5 people. He just mentions that there were 5 people when the theft happened. Third question was the caller of the stolen purse. He asked the first witness what was the caller of the purse that was stolen, and the first witness replies that the color of the purse was black. Okay. So this is the summary of SGP 1. Then SGP 2, second paragraph, second witness. In this SGP, it is the interaction between the judge and the second witness. The second witness provides conflicting answers to the first witness. Okay. So he answers when the first question is asked that he claims the theft occurred at night. he says that it was night time when the theft occurred. When I saw the theft happening, it was night time. Then he goes forward to answer the second question and says that there were 25 people present at the time of the theft, or 25 people when the theft was happening. Then for the third question, he answers that the purse was in the color white. The first witness answered that it was black, and he answers that he saw the white purse was stolen. This contradiction between the two witnesses leads to confusion in the courtroom. One witness says some answers, and the second witness contradicts it by saying another answer. Then people, the judge, the lawyer, and everyone present in the court will think that someone is lying. So the lawyer is very upset about it, that they gave the contradicting answers. SGP3, the lawyer was frustrated. In SGP3, it is described that the lawyer is very frustrated because of it, because the first and second witness replied very contradictory answers. But due to the contradictory testimonies, the judge postponed the trial to the next day. The lawyer is visibly upset and blames the witnesses for lying. He concludes that there is no hope of resolving the case and criticizes the need for a third witness. Surprisingly, the lawyer's cook, Ali, overhears the situation and offers to help. He claims he can solve the case and requests to be given a chance. So, after the second witness answers the judge's question, the court was adjourned and he gave another date for the next trial, and the lawyer is very frustrated because of their contradictory answers. And for the next trial, he very frustratedly says that there is no need. We already lost the case because of you two, and we are not going to win anyway. So there is no need to present a third witness, and the thief will not be convicted for his crime. Surprisingly, the lawyer's cook was there when he is scolding the two witnesses, and he listens. He hears what he was saying, and he suggests that I will go and save the case. I can save the case, and when when I answer the questions for the front of the judge, I can make their lies or their contradicting answers so I can help them solve this case, and he is given a chance by the lawyer. The SGP for Ali's testimony. Ali goes in front of the judge. The next day, Ali is brought to the witness box and questioned. Ali is standing in front of the judge in the witness box. His answer to the first question, when was the theft, that he answers that Ali it was, you can say that it was daytime or it was night time. Ali wisely says it was the meeting time of the day and night, suggesting the theft occurred at dusk, a time that can be considered both day and night. So he says that it was the meeting time of the day and night. Sandhya belo heitila koiki se kuhe, and it is very convenient for some people to say it was daytime and it was night time because it was the meeting time. ସେତିକି ବେଳେ ସରୁଥାଏ ଆଉ ରାତି ଆରମ୍ଭ होता है. Number of people. When the judge asked how many people were there when the theft was happening, he cleverly says both 5 and 25 can be true. At first only 5 were present, but more people gathered later, increasing the number to 25. So he conveniently, very cleverly says that you can say it was 5 or they were 5 people or 25 people, because when the theft was happening there were very few people. There were 5 people but when the theft happened, people heard and saw everything and started to gather around the scene. So you can say that it was 5 or 25. Color of the purse. The third question was what is the color of the purse, and he only shows a black purse with a white interior, explaining that it can be called both black and white depending on part being referred to. The judge is impressed by Ali's clever reasoning and shows full agreement with his logical and. For the color of the purse, Ali shows a purse which is in color of black and white. The exterior is black and the interior is, call it black or you can call it white. Someone saw the part where it is black, then he will call it a black purse, but some people standing opposite side of the black can see the white part and he will say that it is a white purse, and it was very logical of him to say that. The judge is impressed. He is very impressed because Ali practically saved the case because and all the two witnesses before him were not falsified, were not telling lies because of his answers. So the theme of the story is theme and message. This story teaches that truth can have different perspectives depending on how and when it observed. Wisdom and clarity can resolve even the most confusing situations. Intelligence isn't limited to one's profession. Even a cook can solve a complex case through logic and presence of mind. So in this chapter we learn that can have different perspectives. If situation happens and there are 5 people, so they will describe their situations very differently. Every people have their own perspectives, and every perspective can be truth. And when we are evaluating it, we have to see each of their perspectives. Intelligence isn't limited to one's profession. Even a cook can solve a complex case through logic and presence of mind. So here we will we saw that Ali is very very clever and he gives a clear logic and shows his presence of mind and solves the complex case. So now we are going to discuss some questions, comprehension questions. Who did steal a purse? Who stole a purse? Share your mic and answer the question. Who did steal a purse? Who stole the purse?
The thief.
A thief stole the purse. Who hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses? Who hired the lawyer and witnesses? लॉयर को किए हायर करथिबो किए ताकू नहीं आसथिबो जहार पर्स चोरी होईची the man whose purse was stolen hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses जहार पर्स चोरी हेथिबो सीए सिना लॉयर को हायर करबो निज आडू केस लड़िबा पे where did the police send him to police कोठी की पठेला
The jail. The police sent him to the jail.
very good the police sent him to jail jail को पठेले चोरटा को धरी की से माने जेल को पठेले तापरे से माने कोर्ट को पठेबे what was the judge's third question judge third question रे कोन पचारितला
What was the color of the stolen purse?
what was the color of the stolen purse very good the judge's third question was what the color of the purse was
The second question, the jumping asked how many
questions did the judge ask to the first witness को केतेटा क्वेश्चन पचारला how many questions did he ask SGP1 रे फर्स्ट विटनेस को जे क्वेश्चन पचारिछि जज केतेटा क्वेश्चन पचारला
3 questions. 3 questions.
very good
How many questions did
the judge asked 3 questions to the first witness he asked 3 questions to the first witness who was called next के आसिला for the question answering
the Ali?
no after the first witness who was called next the second witness was called next first SGP1 रे first witness को question पचरा हिची SGP2 रे second witness को question पचरा हिची
Yes, the answers are similar. Yes.
Answers were different, not similar. They gave contradictory answers to the same 3 questions. The questions were similar, but the answers were not similar. The first witness said that the theft was committed during daytime. What did the second witness say?
The second witness said it was night.
Very good. The second witness said the theft was committed during night time. It was night time when the theft was happening. The first witness said that the color of the purse was black. What did the second witness say?
The second witness said white. The second witness said white.
The second witness said
white.
The color of the purse was white. What are the differences between the answers of both the witnesses to the judge's question? What are the difference? What was the difference for the first question? What did the first witness say? What did the first witness say? There were 3 questions, and for each question, the first witness and second witness gave contradictory answers. What was the answers of the first and second witness for the first question? Answer?
Yes, we believe that they told the truth. We know that the 2 witnesses would be present at the theft place in different times, so they said what they had seen in different manner.
For the answer? Okay. So, the first and second witness both gave contradictory answers for their every 3 questions. Okay. To answer the first question, the judge The first witness answered it was day, while the second witness answered it was night. For the first question, they both answered differently. First witness said it was day, and the second witness said it was night. In the second question, the first witness answered there were 5 people, while the second one replied it was 25 people present. For the second question, they further gave contradictory answers and replied that it was for the first witness it was 5 people present, and the second witness said that it was 25 present. At the for the third question, they replied it was black purse, while the later one said that the purse was white. For the third question, they further gave contradictory answers by saying it was a black purse and it was a white purse. Okay. Why couldn't the third witness come?
The third witnesses could not come because they had some problems. The third witnesses could not come because they had some problems.
Thank you. The third witness had some problems, so he could not come. Why was the lawyer not happy? Why was the lawyer unhappy?
The lawyer was not happy because two witnesses gave contradictory facts.
So very good. The lawyer was unhappy because the witnesses gave two different answers for the same question. Whom did he scold? Who was scolded after the trial? Whom
He
did
scolded the two witnesses.
The lawyer scolded the two witnesses.
He scolded.
Who was listening to all that happened? Who was listening when he was scolding?
Ali was listening to all that happened. Ali was listening to all that happened.
Very good. Ali was listening while this was happening. Who was Ali? Who was Ali?
Ali was lawyer's cook.
Ali was the lawyer's cook. Okay. Did the lawyer agree to take Ali as the third witness?
No, the lawyer agreed. The lawyer not agreed to take Ali as the third witness.
But in SGB4 we saw that Ali gave the answer. So the lawyer finally agreed to take Ali as the third witness. Okay. Is it possible that the theft time was both day and night? Is it possible or not? Is it possible?
Yes,
that
it is possible. Yes, it is possible that the theft time was both day and night.
Very good. If it is possible, and we saw how it was possible. It is possible that the theft time was both day and night, and Ali made it clear in his answers that it was possible. Is it possible that the number of persons present in the court was both 5 and 25? How?
Yes, it is possible that the number of persons present in the court both 5 and 25 because when the theft was present 5 and become after 25.
Very good. Yes, when the theft was committed, there were only 5 people. When the theft was happening, it were just 5 people, but then 25 people gathered around. the scene. Here were only 5 persons, but slowly the number increased to 25. आमे भी रास्ता रे जाउथबा कोउटे दुर्घटना ही कोन हले आमे कोन स्टार्टिंग रे जणे कि दुई जण थिबे किंतु धीरे धीरे लोक माने देखि कि कोन होंती जमा होंती कि नै सेंती सेई एप्ट जटकी बेले हला 5 जण थिले किंतु धीरे धीरे समस्त जमा है कि 25 हे गले. What did Ali do when the judge asked about the color of the purse? When the judge asked the third question about the color of the purse, what did Ali do? Ali showed a purse, both in color of white and black. The inside was white.
When the
and
judge
the
asked
outside
about
was
the color of the purse, Ali say white. The color of the purse is white and black.
Ali showed a purse. He showed a purse, and inside was white and outside was black. Yeah. Inside was white and outside was black. Was the judge satisfied? How do you know? At the end, the judge was satisfied or not? How do we get to know that the judge was satisfied or not? What do you think? The judge was satisfied or not? Yes, the judge was satisfied. He smiled an unusual smile and nodded his head in full agreement. Gave full agreement to the questions asked to Ali, and he replied very cleverly, and he was very satisfied about his answers. So now we are going to solve see some plural forms of some words. These are nouns, and when we make them in plural form, their spelling changes. Okay, so we are going to see how the spelling changes. Can anyone say what is the plural form of man?
Men. M-E-N, men.
M-E-N, men. Very good. The plural form of man, M-A-N, man is M-E-N, man. What is the plural form of reason?
Reasons.
Reasons. Very good. Reasons. We add a S to the primary word. Okay. Can anyone answer the plural form of word present problem?
Problems.
Problems.
And the plural form of witness?
Witnesses. Witnesses.
Can you spell the word witnesses?
Witnesses. W-I-T-N-E-S-S-E-S.
So here we are adding es. Here we just added s to problem, but here we are adding two letters, e and s. Okay. Thief. What is the plural form of thief?
Thieves.
Thief.
T-H-I-E-F-E-S. V-E-S.
Plural form of thief is thieves, and here we see that the spelling changes entirely. Okay. So here are some words and their different forms. You have to learn various words in order to use that in your English. And here are some words and example for you to learn. Okay. आमे एथिरे किछिटा जस्ट वर्ड आनिकी एठी देखाइछि तुमे बाकी वर्ड गुड़ा को निजे लेखिकी अभ्यास करिवो. ओके. तो आमे जानिछु गोटे वर्ड रो चारटा फॉर्म थाए प्रेजेंट पास्ट पास्ट पार्टिसिपल एंड प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल आमे एई पाठरो केतेटा शब्द नै कि एई सबु वर्ड सबु बाहर करा हिची ओके स्टील स्टील शब्द जो जाछि प्रेजेंट फॉर्म रे तर सेकंड पास्ट फॉर्म होछि स्टोल थर्ड फॉर्म पास्ट पार्टिसिपल होछि स्टोलन एंड द फोर्थ फॉर्म होछि स्टीलिंग जोटा होछि प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल सेंती आउ केतेटा शब्द दिया हिची कैच कैच रो होछि caught caught then catching send रो होछि sent sent then sending arrest रो होछि arrested arrested and arresting तारो होछि replied replied replying replying hired 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 hiring asked रो होछि asked asked asking तो हमें जानी चुकी फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड जो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल रे थाए सेटा होची वर्ब रो आईएनजी फॉर्म है ना राइट द ऑपोजिट वर्ड यूजिंग आईएम प्रीफिक्स तो हमें जति बेले हमर चैप्टर ता पढु छु चैप्टर ना होची only made possible impossible impossible possible only made impossible possible तो सेथिरे दुईटा शब्द अछि पॉसिबल आउ इम्पॉसिबल सेम शब्द सेथिरे गोटे थिरे आई एम प्रीफिक्स लागि छि आगो पटे आई एम लागि छि आउ ए आई एम लागिबा द्वारा कोन होला ना तार वर्ड रा मीनिंग ता पूरा चेंज हे जाउछि माने विपरीत शब्द हे जाउछि तो सेंति हमें आई एम लगै कि केते जो शब्द अछि से शब्द गुडी करो ऑपोजिट वर्ड को हमें लिखिबा ओके Can anyone answer the what is the opposite word of possible?
Impossible.
Impossible. Okay. Pure.
Impure.
Impure. And mature.
Immature.
Immature. Okay. हमें आई एम आगो को जोड़िबा
Imperfect.
प्रीफिक्स माने कोन हमें आगो पटे ए वर्ड रो आगो पटे हमें जोड़ू छु आई एम सेति पय ताको कहै जुछि प्रीफिक्स ओके परफेक्ट कोन हबो ऑपोजिट वर्ड
Imperfect.
वेरी गुड इम्परफेक्ट एंड मूवेबल
Immovable.
Here are some other prefixes. Okay. So in our previous slide, we saw that I am prefix was added, and here are some other prefixes. ए prefix गुड़ा को हमें जोड़िले शब्द रो opposite word भी आसुची हमें आगो स्लाइड रे देखिले खाली ई आई एम थिला किंतु एई थिरे देखो अछि यू एन आई इन आई एम आई आर डी आई एस आउ एन ओ एन एई शब्द गुड़ा को भी हमें आगो पटे लगेबा हले शब्द रो अर्थ बदली जाउची आ विपरीत शब्द हे जाउची ओके हैप्पी ता कोन हबो यू एन लागि की अनहैप्पी करेक्ट कौन लगुची आई एन
Incorrect.
ओके करेक्ट माने ठीक इनकरेक्ट माने भूल देन पॉसिबल रे हमें इम्पॉसिबल हमें पाठर स्टार्टिंग रो हमें देख जानि छ रेगुलर रे लगुची आई आर irregular okay then agree रे लगी आई आर
Disagree.
एग्री रे लागिबो DIS लागि के हबो डिसएग्री पेशेंट रे आई एम लागिले कोन हबो
Impatient.
अच्छा एक्टिव एक्टिव रे आईएन लगिले कोन हबो
inactive inactive
सेंते पोलाइट रे आईएम लगिले कोन हबो
impolite
इम्पोलाइट सेंते लीगल रे आईएल लगिला इलीगल देन सेंस
illegal
सेंस रे नॉन लगिले नॉनसेंस आमे जानिछु आमे नॉनसेंस वर्ड ता सुनिछु आमे जानिछु है तो एठी देखो वर्ड गुडा हैप्पी माने खुशी अनहैप्पी माने खुशी नुह माने दुखी अछि से सेंते वर्ड गुडा रो ए वर्ड गुडा रो ऑपोजिट वर्ड हे जाउछि सेठी तो आमे प्रीफिक्स जोडी की लेखिले सेटा ऑपोजिट वर्ड हे जाउछि तो नेक्स्ट आमे एठी रे गोटे कॉलम देछि सेही कॉलम रे आमे मैच करबा ओके match the words in column A with their opposite in column B. column A रे word अछि तार opposite अछि column B रे हमें match करिवा तो agree कोन हबो
disagree
disagree legal
illegal
illegal then patient
impatient
पेशेंट रो अर्थ जानछो कि पेशेंट माने होछि धैर्य इम्पेशेंट माने अधैर्य हे जिबा देन पोलाइट रो
impolite
पोलाइट ओके रेगुलर रो
irregular
ओके
lar
तो हमें एबे बहुत सारा वर्ड रो प्रीफिक्स लगे कि ऑपोजिट वर्ड करबा को केनते हुए हमें जानि पादले तो हमें सेही वर्ड गुडा को नै कि फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करबा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ द करेक्ट ऑपोजिट यूजिंग प्रीफिक्स हमें प्रीफिक्स लागितबा वर्ड को ए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स रे यूज करबा ओके 1 इट इज डेस टू ड्राइव विदाउट ए लाइसेंस कोन हबो हमें जो कॉलम रे वर्ड गुडा यूज करथिले सेही वर्ड गुडा मझिरु किछि गुटे आसीबो तो इट इज डेस टू ड्राइव विदाउट अ लाइसेंस इलीगल वेरी गुड ही वाज वेरी डेस व्हेन वेटिंग इन द लॉन्ग क्यू एटा कोन हबो इम्पेशेंट तो लॉन्ग क्यू माने लंबा धाड़ी रे से जत्की बेले ठिया होछि जियोटा से बहुत इम्पेशेंट हे जाउछि प्लीज डोंट बी डेस स्पीक नाइसली टू अदर्स एथि कोन हबो नॉनसेंस नॉनसेंस हबोनी आ गोटे वर्ड थिला मने पकाओ इम्पोलाइट वेरी गुड प्लीज डोंट बी इम्पोलाइट स्पीक नाइसली टू अदर्स हमें जत्की बेले गोटे वाक्य हमें गठन करूछु नै सेतकी बेले हमें पढ़ी कि देखिबा गोटे वर्ड जदी हमें एथिरे लेखुछु हमें जदी भी नॉनसेंस लिखिले हमें पढ़ी कि देखिबा प्लीज डोंट बी नॉनसेंस स्पीक नाइसली टू अदर्स हेले भलो सुभा जाउनी तो हमें गोटे एंती शब्द लिखिबा जोटा टिके भलो सुभा जिवो हमकु लागिवो कि ठीक अछि ओके वेरी गुड अटेम्प्ट दैट क्लॉक हैज एन डेस्क शेप The clock has desk shape. Irregular. Very good. The clock has an irregular shape. Very good. He decided to dash with the final decision. एथिरे कोन हबो EIS लागि गोटे प्रीफिक्स लागि disagree. Very good. He decided to disagree with the final decision. Very good. आमे किसीटा नुआ वर्ड सिखिले और से नुआ वर्ड को आज हमें ए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स रे व्यवहार करले ओके अच्छा हमें जत्की बेले पाठटा पढुछु SGP 3 रे SGP 3 there was a line Sir, I have been cooking you for the last 10 years and you know I can cook the judge and the गवर्नर तो आमे ए वाक्यटा देखिबा ए वाक्य रे कोन अछि इंग्लिश ठीक अछि कि तार अली रो इंग्लिश ठीक अछि अली ठीक भाबरे कहि छै कि
No.
No, his English was very bad. Okay, so आमे सेंटी किसी sentences अच्छी से sentence गुड़ी को ठीक भावरे लेखिकी देखिबा एई सेंटेंस रे कोन अछि भूल कोन हला सर आई हैव बीन कुकिंग यू फॉर द last 10 years and you know I can cook the judge and governor एथि रे कोन लागिनी गोटे प्रीपोजिशन लागिनी for कोइ कि गोटे प्रीपोजिशन अछि सेटा कुकिंग आगरो लागिबा कथा सर आई हैव बीन cooking for you for the last 10 years and you know I can cook for the judge and the governor. Okay, तो एठी for रो हमें प्रीपोजिशन जो लगी से भूल व्यवहार रही जाइछि तो हमें सेंटी किसी वाक्य देखिबा जो थे हमें ठीक व्यवहारता जानि परिबा रॉन्ग देखो भूल वाक्यटा अछि she is married with a doctor तो आंसर टा कोन होछि she is married to a doctor तो with जगह रे कोन हबो to लागिबो ओके बुझी पारु छ कि नहीं ए सेंटेंस रे married with a doctor ए जो प्रीपोजिशन टा लागला सेटा भूल हे जाछि तो she is married to a doctor से डॉक्टर को बाहाई छी हैला I am good in dancing एटा ठीकटा कोन होबो जे के कहि परबो कि I am good at dancing in जगह रे at होबो ओके then he is afraid from dogs तो एथि रे कोन होबो from जगह रे कोन लागिबो he is afraid of dogs okay he is afraid of dogs then the book is in the table तो in जगह रे कोन लागिबो in ता भूल अछि in जगह रे on the table very good
The book is on the table.
the book is on the table very good she was born on 2005 on जगह रे कोन लागिबो in very good she was born in 2005 he went on home after school तो on जगह रे कोन हबो on he went to home after school okay very good I have been waiting since 2 hours तो एटा हबो I have been waiting for 2 hours हला since ता बहुत लंबा समय जाको लंबा समय आमे बसिले सेटा हबो किंतु बसिबा समयटा आमे since लगेई परिबा नहीं आमे लगेबा for 2 hours आमे किछि घंटा बसि परिबा आमे दिन बसि परिबा कि तो लंबा समय पे आमे since व्यवहार करू he jumped in the river to save the boy he jumped into the river to save the boy हला she is interested on music तो on जगह रे कौन हबो के कोई परबो she is interested in music we discussed about the problem तो ए लाइन रे कौन भूल अछि तो ए लाइन रे हबो एटा we discussed the problem एठी about ता लागिबनी ओके discussed word रे ही discussed माने ही होची हमें गोटे विषय रे कथा हेबा तो तार अर्थ ही होची अर्थ ही होची discussing about something and जदि हमें discussed about लगे दबा हेले दुई थरा about हे माने गोटे लाइन रे दुई थरा ता जो अर्थ जक्की बेले हमें बाहर करबा दुई थरा about आसी जिवो तेल करी हमें जक्की बेले discuss वर्ड यूज करू छु हमें about लगेबा नहीं ओके तो क्लास पर हमर होमवर्क आसी जाई छी तो तीनटा क्वेश्चन अच्छी हु आर देयर इन द स्टोरी where did the police send the thief and how many questions did the judge ask तो ए क्वेश्चन तीनटा रो आंसर पिला माने निजे निजे लिखिबो आओ निजा टीचर को देखेबो तो आज ए क्लास रे पिला माने समस्ते जो पाठ पढ़ाई थिला तो सेटा को आमे मने पकेइले तो रिवीजन मु भाबुची समस्तनकर भलो कि हेतिबो धन्यवाद।